The pyramids of Egypt are among the most recognizable and enduring monuments on Earth. Towering over the vast desert landscape, they have stood for thousands of years, still mesmerizing visitors and historians alike. The Great Pyramid of Giza, the largest of these structures, is a symbol of ancient Egyptian ingenuity, engineering, and creativity. The question that has always fascinated historians, archaeologists, and architects is how did the ancient Egyptians, with their limited technological resources, manage to construct these colossal structures that defied the laws of physics and geometry as we know them today? To understand this monumental achievement, we must delve into the innovations that were developed by the ancient Egyptians, innovations that not only enabled them to build the pyramids, but also laid the foundation for many of the engineering techniques we still use today. These innovations were not simply about brute force, they were about clever solutions, careful planning, and sophisticated tools. The construction of the pyramids was an exercise in ingenuity that involved mathematics, geometry, material science, and human organization. The first innovation that played a crucial role in pyramid construction was the Egyptians' mastery of geometry. Unlike many ancient cultures, the Egyptians had a deep understanding of geometry, which they used to achieve remarkable precision in their architecture. The alignment of the Great Pyramid of Giza, for example, is almost perfect. The pyramid's four sides are aligned to the cardinal directions with a degree of accuracy that modern surveyors would be proud of. This alignment was achieved with the help of simple tools like the plumb, the leveling instrument, and the square, which were used to ensure that the pyramid's base was perfectly level and that the walls were perfectly straight. The Egyptians also understood the concept of proportions, using mathematical ratios to create the perfect balance and symmetry that we see in the pyramids today. The most revolutionary engineering innovation that the Egyptians developed was their use of ramps to transport the massive stones used in the pyramid's construction. The stones used in the pyramid were enormous, some weighing several tons, and the Egyptians had no cranes or modern machinery to lift them. Instead, they relied on ramps to move the stones into place. These ramps were constructed alongside the pyramid as it was being built. Archaeologists believe that the Egyptians used a variety of ramp designs, including straight ramps, zigzagging ramps, and spiral ramps, to transport the stones up the pyramid sides. The ramp systems were essential in overcoming the challenge of moving heavy materials and enabled the Egyptians to lift the stones to heights that would have been impossible otherwise. But ramps alone were not enough. The Egyptians also had to develop tools and techniques to cut and shape the stones with precision. The limestone blocks used for the core of the pyramid were quarried using copper tools, such as chisels and saws. These tools were used to cut the blocks into precise shapes, and the Egyptians had an incredible ability to achieve near-perfect dimensions with these rudimentary tools. The precision with which the stones were cut allowed them to fit together perfectly, creating the smooth, seamless surfaces that are still visible on the Great Pyramid today. The innovation didn't stop with the cutting and shaping of stones. The Egyptians also developed sophisticated systems for organizing the labor force that would work on the pyramids. The construction of the pyramids required thousands of workers, from skilled craftsmen and masons to laborers and organizers. These workers were not slaves, as is often depicted in popular culture, but rather a highly organized workforce that was paid in food, shelter, and other benefits. The workers lived in purpose-built villages near the pyramids, where they were provided with everything they needed to carry out their work. These villages were equipped with tools, food storage facilities, and even medical care, and the workers were organized into specialized teams, each responsible for a specific task, such as quarrying the stone, shaping the blocks, or transporting them to the pyramid. This level of organization was an innovation in itself, as it required a sophisticated understanding of logistics and resource management. The Egyptians developed a system of record-keeping to track the progress of the construction, ensuring that materials were available when they needed them and that the labor force was working efficiently.
This system of management allowed the Egyptians to keep track of everything from the supply of materials to the allocation of workers, ensuring that the construction process ran smoothly and that the project was completed on time. The Egyptians also developed an advanced understanding of materials and their properties. They used a variety of stones, such as limestone, granite, and basalt, each chosen for its specific properties. Limestone, for example, was used for the core of the pyramid, while harder stones like granite were used for the internal chambers and the outer casing. The outer casing of the Great Pyramid was made of highly polished limestone, which was designed to reflect the sun's rays, making the pyramid shine like a beacon in the desert. The use of different materials for different parts of the pyramid was an innovation that not only enhanced the structure's durability, but also contributed to its aesthetic appeal. While the physical construction of the pyramids was a monumental task, the intellectual and cultural innovations surrounding the pyramids were equally impressive. The pyramids were not just tombs for the pharaohs, they were symbols of divine power and eternal life. The Egyptians believed that the pharaohs were gods, and their pyramids were designed to ensure that the pharaohs would live forever in the afterlife. This religious and cultural context played a crucial role in the construction of the pyramids, as it motivated the workers to dedicate themselves to the project and to give their best effort in building these grand structures. The pyramids were also a reflection of the Egyptians' advanced understanding of the cosmos. The alignment of the pyramids with the stars was not coincidental. The Egyptians had a deep knowledge of astronomy, and they used this knowledge to ensure that the pyramids were aligned with the stars and constellations that were significant to their religious beliefs. The Great Pyramid, for example, is aligned with the stars of Orion's belt, which was associated with the god Osiris, the god of the afterlife. This alignment was achieved with incredible precision, demonstrating the Egyptians' advanced knowledge of the cosmos and their ability to incorporate this knowledge into their architecture. Perhaps the most remarkable thing about the pyramids is their enduring legacy. Despite the passage of thousands of years, the pyramids continue to inspire awe and wonder in people around the world. The innovations that were developed by the ancient Egyptians in the construction of the pyramids laid the foundation for many of the engineering techniques we still use today. The principles of geometry, the use of ramps and levers, and the careful organization of labor all influenced the development of architecture and engineering in the centuries that followed. The Egyptians' ability to adapt their environment and available materials to solve complex problems is a testament to their ingenuity and creativity. In the centuries following the construction of the pyramids, these innovations would continue to influence civilizations around the world. The ancient Greeks, Romans, and later civilizations would all draw upon the principles of Egyptian engineering, building upon them to create their own architectural marvels. The Roman Colosseum, for example, was influenced by the principles of arch construction that the Egyptians used in the construction of the pyramids, while modern skyscrapers owe their existence to the principles of geometry and planning that were first used in the construction of the pyramids. Today, the pyramids stand not only as a marvel of ancient architecture, but as a symbol of human ingenuity and innovation. They are a reminder of what can be achieved when creativity, perseverance, and knowledge come together to solve complex problems. The innovations that built the pyramids have had a lasting impact on architecture, engineering, and our understanding of the world. The pyramids are not just relics of the past, they are a testament to the potential of human innovation and a symbol of what we can achieve when we push the boundaries of what is possible.